Get into a car with value. 2020 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.